Looking for the best DJ controllers in 2026? In this video, we review the top DJ controllers for beginners and professionals, covering performance, features, and value for money. Whether you're starting your DJ journey or upgrading your setup, we've got you covered. Discover the latest gear that delivers smooth mixing, creative control, and pro-level sound. Stay tuned to find the perfect DJ controller for your style and budget. Number 3. The WmCorner Platinum FX DJ controller is a feature-packed, budget-friendly option that delivers impressive performance for beginner and intermediate DJs. Designed for use with Serato DJ Lite, this controller offers 4-deck control, giving you more creative flexibility compared to standard 2-deck setups. One of its standout features is the 6-inch capacitive touch jog wheels with built-in displays. These high-resolution screens show essential information like BPM, platter position, pitch, and time remaining, helping you stay focused without constantly checking your laptop. It's a feature usually found on more expensive controllers, making this a great value. The controller also includes 6 quick-launch FX with dual paddle triggers, allowing you to add dynamic effects on the fly. Combined with 8 performance pads per deck, you can easily trigger cues, loops, and samples, making your mixes more engaging and professional. Setup is simple with plug-and-play USB connectivity, and the built-in 24-bit audio interface ensures solid sound quality. It also offers all the essential connections, including microphone input, headphone output, and RCA outputs for speakers. Users love how easy it is to learn and use. One reviewer praised its smooth setup and overall value, while another highlighted its flawless performance even when paired with different DJ software. Overall, the WmCorner Platinum FX is an excellent choice for DJs who want advanced features, great usability, and strong performance without spending a fortune. Number 2. The Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 2-deck controller is an excellent entry-level DJ controller that blends simplicity, portability, and professional features into one compact unit. Designed for beginners, but powerful enough for casual gigs, it offers a smooth introduction to DJing without overwhelming complexity. One of its biggest strengths is wide device compatibility. Whether you're using a PC, Mac, iPhone, iPad, or Android device, the DDJ FLX4 makes it easy to start mixing anywhere. It comes ready with Serato DJ Lite and Rekordbox support, so you can jump right into your first mix straight out of the box. The layout feels professional and intuitive, mirroring higher-end Pioneer DJ gear. This makes it easier to learn core DJ skills that can transfer to more advanced setups later. Despite its pro-style design, it remains lightweight and highly portable, easily fitting into a backpack for travel or small events. Another standout feature is its support for music streaming services like Tidal, Beatport, BeatSource, and SoundCloud Go Plus, giving you instant access to a massive library of tracks. Creative tools and performance features allow you to experiment and develop your own style. Users consistently praise its ease of use and portability, with one reviewer highlighting how fun and beginner-friendly it is. Overall, the DDJ FLX4 is a smart choice for aspiring DJs who want a reliable, affordable controller that grows with their skills. Number 1. The Denon DJ SC Live 4 standalone DJ controller is a powerful all-in-one system designed for DJs who want maximum flexibility without being tied to a laptop. Running on Engine DJ OS, it allows fully standalone performances using USB drives, SD cards, or even Wi-Fi streaming from services like Tidal, SoundCloud, and more, giving you access to millions of tracks on demand. This controller features a 4-deck layout with stem separation, letting you isolate vocals, drums, bass, and melodies in real time for creative mixing. The 7-inch touchscreen makes browsing tracks and controlling settings smooth and intuitive, while the layout feels familiar for DJs transitioning from other systems. One of the standout features is the built-in speakers, which are surprisingly powerful and perfect for practice sessions or small gatherings. Users love the ability to pick up the controller and start mixing anywhere without extra gear. For larger setups, it offers professional connectivity including XLR, RCA, and booth outputs, plus dual mic inputs. Compatibility with Serato DJ Pro and Virtual DJ adds even more versatility if you prefer software integration. Performance-wise, it's responsive, feature-rich, and easy to learn. One user mentioned feeling comfortable within just 30 minutes. Additional features like lighting control integration, smart track suggestions, and advanced effects make it a modern DJ powerhouse. Overall, the SC Live 4 is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced DJs who want portability, innovation, and pro-level performance in one device. Thanks for watching our Best DJ Controllers 2026 review. Headphone, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and DJ gear guides. Let us know which controller is your favorite or what you're using right now. Check the description for links and deals. Keep mixing, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.